Welcome. Welcome, Nikki.
Hi, Prisha.
This week, we're going to talk about printing. Nikki, a whole week about clicking a print button?
Oh, we need a week off. No, Prashan, you know jolly well that Excel has absolutely no respect for the dimensions of our page. And Sean had this problem the other day, came to print his lovely report, and 25 rainforests later,
Oh dear.
yeah, he's feeling a little embarrassed.
All of this could have been fixed with the print preview button. I used to love that button, but the latest versions of Excel, that button's gone.
I know. Yeah, I spent a very embarrassing morning looking for it. Actually, what they've tried to do is a kind of one-stop shop. So when you go to File and Print, it's all there. You've got your print preview on the right, and you've got all the print settings you can adjust on the left, making you a little more efficient.
So how do we fix Sean's problem?
Right, so there are a few things we're going to do. First of all, we're going to go back into Excel, but we've been working in normal view. We're going to change it to page layout view. We saw this briefly in week 1. The page layout view allows us to see the Excel spreadsheet as it will sit on the page,
Great.
but edited at the same time.
Wow.
We're also going to go into our ribbon and click on the page layout tab because that has all the tools we need to adjust our print options.
Great. Like adjusting the margins,
Correct.
the orientation, landscape versus portrait, or even the scale of our spreadsheet.
Absolutely.
What about solving issues like graphs getting chopped in 4 different ways? I'm famous for my graph ending up on 4 different pages.
Yeah, absolutely. So with that, what we're going to look at is page breaks. And there's another view we're going to look at called the page break view, which easily allows us to go and specify where we want to start on the next page. So we can add and remove page breaks.
Great. You mentioned page breaks. In our spreadsheet, one of the rows has all the titles for our spreadsheet.
Yep.
It appears right at the top. When we click print, we'd like that row to appear on every single printed page. How can Excel help us with this?
Okay, very important tool. It's called Print Titles, which is not an obvious name, but it allows us to specify which rows at the top of our spreadsheet we'd like to repeat on all the others.
Great.
And we can even do it for columns.
Wow. And what about if I want to say annual report 2017 on every single page, or the company name to appear on every single page?
Quite right. There, what we're going to do is we're going to look at how we can add headers and footers, where we can include that kind of information as well as when it was printed or where the file is stored even.
Great. So your key takeaways for this week are the page layout view, the page break view, as well as print titles. Download your Excel workbooks and work alongside us because we've got some great practice videos to break down the mechanics of all of these. Practice alongside, take a break, reset, recharge, come back again, and practice again. So now, it's over to you.